Sometimes the hardest part of getting started here on YouTube is trying to figure out what your channel is going to be about. In this video, I'm going to share 40 ideas you can use to start a new YouTube channel. All the videos and music in today's video are available with a subscription to today's sponsor. Soundstripe offers thousands of high-quality audio tracks to take your content to the next level. And now Soundstripe has leveled up their service once again. Introducing Soundstripe Video. Soundstripe Video offers over 70,000 HD, 4K, and even 5K video clips to take your content to the next level. And with the introduction of video, Soundstripe now offers music, sound effects, and videos on one convenient platform. And with their curated video playlists, you're now able to find exactly what you're looking for in far less time. And for a limited time, you can use the promo code CreatorCrew to save 20% off your subscription. Now is the time to go pro with Soundstripe. I hope you found this video helpful. Don't let the learning stop here. Check out one of the videos on screen now so you can continue learning how to start a YouTube channel here on YouTube. Also, below me, that circle, it's a subscribe button. Hover over it, click the button, and I'll see you in the next video.